Today we are going to be taking a look at Mount Washington in New Hampshire, state in the USA. The highest peak in the United States east of the Mississippi River and north of North Carolina. The over mile-high peak sits at an elevation of over 6,000 feet, or nearly 2,000 meters, with an almost equal topographical prominence. This mountain is known for its strange weather patterns of dramatic proportions, known for having the highest recorded wind speed not occurring within a typhoon. Since the recording of such dramatic wind speeds, an observatory has been constructed on its peak to further observe weather patterns. This place does have many recreational activities, as it is a state park, such as hiking. However, hiking on this mountain can be dangerous with the weather, as many people have died on the moderately sized mountain. Just in June of this year, in 2022, a man who attempted to climb the peak passed away after suffering severe hypothermia. However, if you would like to visit this mountain without braving the trek to its summit, you are able to drive up to the peak and examine the old railway that still guides people to its precipice.